It is time to let the distance grow between you and the noise of the world, to allow the scorching heat to dissipate into the quiet, and just breathe. But the endless collision stops here. It is time to let the space between your efforts expand, to drift into the quiet and just breathe. We are sitting together on the very edge of the world. It is early, just before dawn, on the rugged, mist-covered coast. Look out into the distance. A thick, silver fog is rolling in off the water. Listen to the sea. The water pulls back and pushes forward, steady, like a giant sleeping heart. The air is sharp, clean. You can feel the cold, damp sand beneath you. It is solid. It is holding you safely. Let your gaze drift upward, past the fog, into the deep, quiet dark. Way out there, far beyond our own sun, there is a masterpiece painted in the dark. Two ancient fires, two giant stars dancing in the quiet emptiness. One is a massive blue light. The other is older. It has shed its outer layers, exposing a bright, warm heart. They do not walk in perfect circles. They travel far away from each other, traveling alone for years. But eventually, they always come back. They rush toward each other in a long, sweeping embrace. When they get close, their winds meet. It is not a loud crash. In the vacuum of space, it is a silent, gentle molding, a breath of creation. As their stellar winds press together, they take the heavy, ancient elements born in the star's fire. Elements like carbon, the very stuff of life. And out in the deep cold, this invisible gas cools down, turns into a thick, dark mist, like the fog wrapping around us right now. The stars spin away and leave behind a ribbon of stardust. Again and again, they repeat this dance. Over generations, they have built a sprawling sculpture in the night sky. It looks like the glowing rings of an ancient sequoia tree, or a giant, perfect fingerprint left floating in the vastness. Shell after shell of warm dust. Stretching out for billions of miles, a gentle ripple in a cosmic pond, and something magical happens in that quiet dark. Light is not just brightness. It carries a soft, physical push. When this brilliant light hits the dark bands of dust, the dust catches the glow. Like a magnificent dark sail on a quiet sea. The light pushes the cosmic sail, guiding it outward, gliding silently into the unknown. And as the light pushes the dust, it warms it. Making these giant, nested tree rings glow with a deep, soft red heat. A beacon in the freezing, empty space. It is a slow, quiet work of art. Taking lifetimes to paint a single stroke. There is no rush up there. Just the steady, peaceful rhythm of gravity and light. But you know, my friend, the waves keep breaking and the universe keeps turning. Let us stay out here for a little while longer in the deep, silent dark. Imagine watching this world through a camera, slowing time down, way down. Out here, there is no sound, no rushing wind to hear. Even as giant storms collide, everything is caught in a heavy, absolute quiet. Watch the colors unfold so slowly, Where the ancient winds meet, there is a flash of blinding white, but it does not last. As the thick dust drifts outward, the glare softens. It turns into a deep burnt orange, a rich, dark brick red. The colors are not smooth. They are rough, like dark charcoal rubbed across a piece of textured wood. Patchy and porous against the pitch-black void, you can almost feel the temperature shifting. At the center, a dry, blistering heat. But as it pushes out into the freezing, empty space, it does not burn away wildly. It becomes a heavy, smoldering warmth. The dark dust holds on to that heat. Glowing like the last embers of a dying campfire, radiating a slow, quiet warmth outward, inch by inch. Look closer at how it moves. There is no hurry. The dust does not fly away. It drifts, heavy, almost sticky. Caught in the light of the stars, it stretches out, wrinkling and tearing at the edges. Swelling outward like a massive, half-filled sail, suspended in the quiet weightlessness, peeling away layer upon layer, like rough wooden dolls resting inside one another. A monument made of dust and time, frozen in a long, silent exposure. Here, the heavy silence stretches out endlessly, wrapping the caved void in a blanket of profound, undisturbed peace. Listen to the water. It comes in and it retreats. It does not apologize for pulling away. We forget how to do that. We convince ourselves that our worth is measured by how fast we run, by how much we carry. We treat life like a race with no finish line. terrified that if we stop, if we set the heavy load down, our light will just go out. But out there in the deep quiet of space, the universe tells a different story. Those massive stars we watched earlier, the ones with the power of 1,000,000 storms, even they do not burn at full strength all the time. They do not spend every waking moment pouring out stardust. They come together to create, and then they separate. They spend long, silent years just drifting, resting. And that distance, that quiet time, it is not empty. It is not a failure. That is the sacred time when the dust catches the light. When it expands and cools and turns into something beautiful. It takes a season of rest to build a masterpiece. You are allowed to be exhausted. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Unclench your hands. Let them rest open beside you. You do not have to hold it all together right now. Give yourself permission to step back into the quiet dark. Just let your past efforts settle. Like stardust riding the gentle wind. But you know, my friend, the waves keep breaking, and the universe keeps turning. The embers are glowing softly now. The air is cool. The day is completely gone. Sink into the heavy sand. Rest your eyes. Sleep well. Good night.